And now I have really issue that when I press my steering wheel's horn button, nothing happens, and I believe that my fuse is bad. Okay, and there is really this fuse box, and when we look at inside area, there is comment that this is horn 10 ampere fuse in here. And when I install this my fuse box in here, same ways like in this part in here, I check that where is this big slots, like in here, big slots, then I can notice that 10 ampere fuse horn, it is located in just like in here. And now I need pliers, and I only lift up, I pressed it in here, and there's my fuse. And now I need to really purchase just similar 10 ampere fuse. It looks like that, and we can get this fuse from Toyota dealership center. It costs about $2, and then I can install new fuse back. There is this, and it is important that this is 10 ampere, just similar red fuse, no any another, no any 20 ampere fuse. Okay, good. And then when we have this new fuse, I need to only install that in back, in here, in this way, and then this my fuse has been replaced. And next part and final part is to install these holes in these bikes. Look in here, and we little bit install that in that direction, and now they are in this position, and then I lift that down and final press click down and press that it is secure. And now I believe that this my fuse and horn, fuse is replaced and horn is working. Let's test. Okay, and now when fuse is replaced, we go in inside and I press then this good, and now this horn fuse issue, it has been replaced and repaired.